Okay, second game po tayo for the day between Mechanicos and the Ignite. Do Ignite versus Mechanicos. Mechanicos, wala pa 9 minutes remaining. Wala pa rin pong score. Both teams. Ying. No good. Rebound battle by number 0. Stripped away. Agoncillo. Pops up. Si Siason. And of course, no good. Ying naman si Ying. Dish of pass kay number 24. Pops up. No good. Rebound now by number 6. Baseball pass. Easy 2. Pasok. 17, 2 points. 17, 2 points. Two points. Ignite. Ricky for 3. No good. Rebound battle by 1 by Ignite. Again, number 17. Agoncillo. Number 6. 17. Pops up. Nope, it's number 6. 2 points, number 6. Selfless play. Ginawa po ng Ignite sa pagtagpong yan. Ying, no good. Rebound by number 0. Wala pa rin.
Friday, maglalaro naman kayo. Okay lang.
Pops up. Nope. Number 0. And 1 play. Paano? Higit ya. Nice game pare. Okay, 2-4 po score pa rin. The score night is 2-4. Pops up for 3. No good. And it's out. Ricky. 2-4. Laman pa rin pang Ignite. Nice. Banging bodies. Pero di bumabra. Blocking foul called to number 26. Pangit, hindi maganda. Una lang tayo. Yan. Number 26 called for a block. Inbounding Mechanicos, Ricky against Agoncillo. Kumuha ng pick. Ricky. Number 0. Power move. Nawala ang bola. Binato. 17. And traveling violation. Sabi ni Mr. Mandap called for the travel. 6 minutes 40 remaining. First quarter action. The score is 2-4. 6 minutes 35 remaining. Ricky. Not ready. Ang kapal na sanya. Baseball pass. Number 17. Manalo. Siason for 3. Kapos. Isa pa daw. Agoncillo naman. Pinasa kay number 6. Traveling violation called by Mandap to Siason. Baseball pass kay Ying. Kay Ricky. Roger pops up. No good. Rebound foul. Number 9. Number 9 called for a foul. White inbounding. Ricky, Ying, Walter, pops up, kapos, rebound by number 20, power move, nawala ang bola. Same ball. Number 0. Wala pa rin. Binato kay number 11. Agoncillo. Nakuha si Walter. Foul! Agoncillo. Blocking foul. Blocking foul on on Agoncillo. Now inbounding now. Penalty situation called. Change 5 muna po. Change 5. Walter. Shooting for 2. Penalty situation. Do Ignite. Walter number 5. Pops up. It's out. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Good. Nalos for 3. No good. Wala pa rin. Baklaan. Binababa ang bola. May sa baklaan. Naku, sayang, Talisik. Hindi nakuha ni Talisik ang bola. 4 minutes 42 remaining. 2-4 ang score. Lamang pa rin pang Ignite ng dalawa. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Talisik. Nice hustle by number 19. Nalos. Pinasakit Talisik. Pinasakit Talisik. Talisik. Pops up. Sayang. Trap. Of blocking foul. Offensive foul. 14. Whoop. Points. 2 points, number 19. Ignite. Amigo. Talisik. Baklaan. Baklaan. May tahan ng bola. Lumusot. Stripped away. And kay Nalos. Nalos. Easy 2. 2 points, Nalos. Sinugurado ni Nalos ang basket na yun. 3 minutes 21 remaining. First quarter action still. 5-6 point lead po enjoyed by Do Ignite sa ating first quarter. Colanto. 2 points. Pasa pala yun. Amigo, 2 points. Aspan. Nalos. Malakas. Baklaan. Binato. Ayun na kay Mr. Amigo, lost the ball. Eva. Pops up. Malakas. Amigo. Baklaan. Foul. Penalty situation, Ignite. Baklaan, shooting for 2 sa free throw. Pops up. Out. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot. Pops up. It's in. 5-8 ang score. Lamang ng dalawa ang Ignite at 2 minutes 8 remaining. First quarter action. 31. Dalos. Dalawa, ayun. Good ball. Saiba ng tawag. Castro. Talisik. Intercepted. Malakas ang pasa. Shot put ang ginawa. Shot put. And balik mo kay bakla ng bola. Tul na Castro. Castro, binaba ang bola. Bakla again. $25. And one play. Amigo shooting for 2. Amigo shooting for the bonus free throw. Para itabla. Pops up. It's out. Aspan. Aspan, 2 points Aspan. Aspan, 2 points. Colanto. Talisik. 7-10 ang score. 56 seconds remaining. Baklaan for 2. No good. Rebound. Bespan. Eba. Nalos. Labas. Colanto naka-rebound. Amigo. Amigo. Walang foul. Wala pa rin. Seven seconds remaining. Amigo. 2 points, Amigo. Amigo, 2 points. 5 seconds remaining. Eba, pops up. No good. Okay, that's it. First quarter is ended. Sarili Natin Mundo by TJ Monterve, Depend with John Prats, with Casey Tandingan. Live po yan po sa July 11, 2025. This coming Friday na po yan. Get your tickets now. At is following Q Tickets, Conversion Concerts, Virgin Tickets, and Almarabe. Second quarter start. Number 12, Lisbo. Walang pinasahan. Wala si Mr. J. Chris Spear ko na kasama na yun. Number 10, pops up. No good. Nice! Naku, sayang. Dinukot sa ilalim. Ying. Number 0. Shooting for 2. Pops up. First shot. It's in. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Ying, second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by number 24. Lisbo. 17. Pops up. Bank shot by number 6. Pasok. Ricky. 10-12. Palmares. Ricky. Palmares. Pops up. Naku, manilabas. Rebound. Ying. Wala pa rin. Malas. 2 points, number 17. Number 17, 2 points. Ricky. 0, 2 points. 12-14, 8 minutes, 21 remaining. Pops up, Shason, no good. Rebound by number 0. Nako, lakas.
Diretso!
No good. Rebound by Palmares. Tap out. Ricky. Ricky again. Palmares. 0. Take 2. Trey Longton is watching. Pops up. Tapos. Second shot, jumper's ready. Second free throw, jumper's ready po tayo. Pops up. Ha? Last shot. Basket made. 13-14 ang score. 13-14. Pops up. 3 points. 24, 3 points. Ying. Palmares, 26. Walter intercepted by green shirts. Number 12, 2 points again. This ball 2 points. Ricky. Pops up, Ricky. Tapos. Sayang, inline yun. Again, don't you go wrong. Lakas. Pops up. Labas. 24. Wala pa rin. Same ball.
Ayaw sa malapit to. To. Ayaw sa malapit.
Pops up. Ayaw niya. 5 minutes 50 remaining. Palpal. Palpal. 2-on-1 situation. 2-on-2 situation. Thinking 3. No good. Sayang. Shason. Shason. Now to number 26. No good. Rebound by number 6. Fade away shot. Paso bola. Number 6. Fade away shoot. Pasok. Ying. Ouch. Ying shooting for 2. Change 5. Change 5. Wala. Second throw, jumper's ready. Pops up. It's inside. 14-23. Score po natin. Lamang po ng siyam ang Go Ignite. Pops up. It's out. Rebound Rebound by Amigo. Talisik. Talisik. Lost the ball. Lost the ball. Again, Amigo. Recovery, Amigo. Kapos. Agoncillo. Nalos. Sidestep move. Wala. Nalos. Pops up. Nothing but net. Nothing but net. Amigo. Labang na limang isa ang team Ignite. 2 points. Amigo. Amigo 2 points. 4 minutes 17 remaining. Second quarter action. Pops up. Out. Rebound. Amigo. Baklaan. Baklaan. Foul. Foul called. Talisik. Sayang. Talisik first shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. May magtutuna na piyata pag tapos to. Talisik, no good. Nalos. No good. Baklaan, naka-rebound. Baklaan against Nalos. Baklaan, strong move. Amigo. 2 points, Amigo. 17-25, 18-25. Again, 7-point lead by Ignite. Nalos thinking 3. Lumusot. Desopay, Aspan. Aspan. Wala, malakas. Foul. Foul. Foul Castro. Foul Castro. Binasa kay Nalos. Nakalusot. Nalos, short stab. Wala, malakas. Number 9, palpal. Pero sabit siya. Sabit si Castro. Castro. Bantay. Hello. Hello. Hindi pa. Bakit? Second quarter pa lang, na-delay kasi. Ano mayroon, boss? Uy. Ha? Oh.
Hindi pa, nagdadanas pang kasi.
Saan kayo pupunta? Chopping. 2 points. 2 points, Castro. Ha? 2 points, Castro. Bantay. Bantay! Rebound ko lang to. Out of bounds. Timeout called by Mecanicos. Score po natin 20-27. Back to the ball game.
Kailangan naman maganda ka rin. Dahil yung parating mga balance.
Gonzalez Isa is watching. Joris Malapat is watching also. Pops up Nalos. No good. Rebound by Castro. Castro leading the charge. Castro. Foul. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Castro shooting for 2. Who's foul? 11, call for a foul. Castro shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapus. Kapus, second shot. Jumper's ready. Wala. Rebound by Colanto. Castro. Oy! Traveling violation called. Colanto, intercepted. Baklaan. Sayang. One more time. Isa pa, Baklaan. Talisik. Baklaan again for rebound. Talisik. Out of bounds. Binato. Balik. One minute 11 remaining. Second quarter action. Colanto. Intercepted. Nakuha. And kay Nalos mula yung bola. Nalos, easy 2. 53 seconds remaining. Talisik. Against Concilio. Colanto. Good goal. Walang tawag. Again, kay Nalos ang bola. Nalos, easy 2. 2 points, Nalos again. 26 seconds remaining. Timeout called by Mechanicos. Sir Isa, nanalo po yung Airport United, sir. Sa first game po. Sir Isa, nanalo po Airport United sa first game. Buti pinatay ng AC rito. Ang lamig, grabe. Kahit winter, nakatodo AC rito. Check. Okay. ...26 seconds remaining, second quarter action. Baklaan, inbounding the ball. Baklaan, inbound the ball. Talisik. Nawala ang bola. Ay! Balik sa Ignite ang bola.
Last shot, last shot.
22 seconds remaining. Agoncillo. 22. Lost the ball. Baklaan. Amigo. Traveling violation called. Last shot, last shot. Eba. Wala. Nalos for 3. Tapos. Wala na. End of second quarter. Kausapin ka na yun. Yung magbamo. Wala pa naman sila eh. Final 20 minutes of the ball game will start right now. Yung score po natin 20-31. Laman po ang Ignite ng 11. The Green Boys, dalaman po ng 11. Boss. Yung mga susunod yata sa atin. Game 3. Type. Palmares. Ying. Ricky for 3. Kapos. Again, one more time. Ying. Sayang. Nagchacha. Walter. Sayang. Bisbo against Ricky. Alis Palmares. Nice stop by Walter. Nice stop by Walter. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Bisbo. Pops up. Bang. 9 minutes remaining. Two point zero. Zero 2 points. Bisbo. Pops up. Kapos. Again, one more chance. Pops up. Kapos. Wala na. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Labang po ng labisa ang Ignite. 22-23. 22-33 rather. Intercepted. Binato. Ayun. Nice. Great back by Ricky. Ying. Good ball. Ricky. For 3. No good. Rebound by 0. Ricky again. Ricky. Pops up. No good pa rin. Tatlong trippers ka wala. Ay!
Rap!
Kapos! And one play. Amigo, 2 points. Amigo, 2 points. Plus bonus free throw. Amigo. Pops up. No good. Rebound by number 26. Lisbo. Eva. Campo. Buhay. Wala. Ying. Wala. Boom. Oh. Ingat, boss. Lampat o malimpat? Malimpat. Game tayo. Eva. 5 minutes 45 remaining. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Ying. Goose foul rep. Number 19 called for a foul. Ricky inbounding. 5 minutes 35 remaining. Intercepted. Lisbo lost the ball. Okay, sub muna. Sub muna. And timeout called by Team Mechanicos. Hanap buhay muna po tayo. Okay, on July 11, 2025, live po sa Doha Qatar is Arena Timundo by TJ Monterde. Directed by, of course, John Prats with Casey Tandingan. Get your tickets now. Or available po in Q Tickets, Cornerstone Concerts, Virgin Tickets, and Almarabe Events. Casey Tandingan with TJ Monterde with Casey Tandingan. Live po ito sa Doha in Qatar National Convention Center on July 11, 2025. This coming Friday na po yan po. Get your tickets now. Maraming salamat po. And back to the ball game. Back to the ball game po tayo. Oh, yung ticket. Wala, walang libre. Salamat sir. Lang naman po, Sir Isa. At yung service parat po, Sir Isa. And Mr. ano ba yan? Ano ba to? Reggie. Anak buhay muna tayo. Hello. Nasa Newton International Academy. Nagdala may lurupe. 5 minutes pa. Third quarter pa lang to. Daanan mo na ako dito. Sige na. Iabot ko sa'yo. Iabot ko. O, sige. Next time na lang, boss. Salamat. Okay, back to the ball game. Ying. Ay, wag ganun. Ying, first shot. Out. Ying, second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala. Good ball. Foul. Technical foul, number 5, Ying. Second free throw to be shot by Doha Ignite. Both teams po, bata sa bench muna po kayo, mas maganda.
Para yung parang si Chan, kung mumbang yung pangalan ni
Okay, take your free to first para kay Manalo. From tail foul ni Ying, number 5. It's out. 2 shots now para kay Mr. Mana, para kay Ying. Sa foul niya kanina. Two shots, Ying. Shooting ball kanina kasi yan. Akop shooting. Pops up. It's out. Second shot. Jumper ready. 4 minutes 57 remaining. Third quarter action. Pops up. It's in. Okay. Pasok. 25-23. Agoncillo against Ricky. Malakas. Good ball. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Number 0. Baklaan. Still completed. Pop. Out of bounds. Zero. Colanto. 0. Intercepted. Good ball, good ball. 2 points. Amigo, 2 points. Shason. Intercepted. Number 0. Straight away. Foul. Foul number 22. Do Ignite. Number 0 shooting for 2. First shot. Out. Kapos. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Wala pareho. Agoncillo. Binabati ni Ricky. 2 points. 22 2 points. Colado. Baklaan. Lost the ball. Oh! Shason. Fadeaway shot. Wala. Rebound. Foul. Penalty situation. Do Ignite. Shooting for 2. Colanto shooting for 2. First shot. Kapos. Second throw. Jump is ready. Kapos pareho. Hop! Green ball. Ignite ball.
Cartibin.
Inside. 77 2 points. Ricky. Nice shot by Manalo. Manalo 2 points. Ying. Ricky 3 points. 3 points Ricky. 2 minutes 25 remaining. Manalo. Number 6. 31, Aspan. Aspan, malakas. Foul, 0. Foul on 0. Aspan shooting for 2. Palmares, papasok muna para kay number 0. Aspan, 31. First shot. In. Second throw. Second throw. No good. Rebound, amigo. Walter. Ricky. Walter to Ricky. For 3. Bang! Ricky, 3 points. 34, 32, 33, 40. Laman ng 7 na lang ang Ignite. Ignite, laman ng 7. Pop sa for 3, kapos. Rebound Colanto to Ricky. Ricky to Walter. Nako, not sa Agoncillo. Again, balik muli po tayo. Balik muli. Number 6, Shason. Shason, Yoyo. Pops up, foul! Foul number 26, Palmares. Aspan shooting for 2. Aspan shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo, amigo. Puposisyon na rin. Aspan, second shot, jumpers ready. Pasok. 1 minute 38 remaining. Intercepted by Manalo. Manalo, 2 points, Manalo. Natapak sila. Ricky. Amigo. Again, Ricky again. And 1 play. Rare 4-point play possible. Ricky. Play completed. 37-43. Anim. Agoncillo. 22. Shason. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Colanto. Palmores. Walter. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Amigo. 2 points. 4. Shason. Wala. Shason again. 2 points. Ricky for 3. Bang! Si din. 3 points. Mali! 7 seconds remaining. Ricky, umapoy si Ricky. Binato. Colanto, palpal! Hey! 2 points. Basket counts 44-45. End of the third quarter. Fourth quarter starts coming up. Minutes pa. Kausapin mo lang. Okay, fourth quarter start right now. 4:45, Lisbo. Nalos, nandun din. Nalos for 3. Kapos. Rebound, Castro.
Depensa!
Castro. Ricky. Ying. 2 points. Lamang. Change favor. Mecanicos in the lead. Lisbo. Nalos. No good. Ying. Ying. Naku, nilabas. Same ball. 9 minutes, 7 remaining. Nakano, minamadali eh. Ricky again for 3. Kapos. Foul. Offensive foul. Over the back foul. That's over the back foul called by the referee. Balik muli po. Binatong bola. Intercepted by Ying. Ying. 2 on 2. 3 on 2 situation. Ayun. Castro. Palpal. One more pa. Wala pa rin. Nakuha. Siason. Manalo. No good. Rebound Castro. Walang foul. Palmores. Ying sa ilalim. 2 points Ying. Ying 2 points. Timeout called by Ignite. 48-45 change favor na po. Mecanicos in the lead already. Pero bago lahat po paalala lang, get your tickets now. Back to the ball game.
Lisbo, diskarte. Yan mo na.
Lisbo. Nalos. Siason for 3. No good. Rebound. Baklaan. Intercepted. Nakuha. Counter intercepted. Ricky, binato kay Palmores. Ayun sa ilalim, kumatsi, Baklaan, malakas. Isa pa. Nilabas. Ricky, for 3 again. Good ball. 2 points. Amigo, 2 points. Lisbo. Siason. Tap. Again. Intercepted. Ying. Baklaan. Foul. Manalo. Duty foul. Manalo called for a foul. Baklaan. Ricky again. Amigo. Wala. Manalo. Huy! Good ball. Foul. Foul on Mecanicos. Lisbo shooting for 2. First shot. Out. Second shot. Jumper's ready. Naibigyan bola. Mami na lang. Second shot. Out. Good! Wala! Amigo ang Isnalos. Kapos! Green ball. Timeout called by Mecanicos. The score is 50-45. Lamang po Mecanicos ang dalawa at 6 minutes 42 remaining fourth quarter action. Game. Game. Ignite for the inbound. Aspan. Papasok ang bola. Number 12. Nalos. Aspan for 3. Lisbo rather. Rebound Palmores. Ying. Ricky for 3. No good. Good ball. Good ball. Lukansot. Aspan. Kabos. Baklaan. Ricky. Taking 3. No good. Rebound Palmores. Power move. Wala pa rin. Ricky. Fade away. Wala. Amigo, 2 points. 52-45. 4 minutes, 39 remaining. Ricky for 3. Nalos for 2. 2 points, Nalos. Malamig. Ying. Malikabok na, di malang yan. Double team. Baklaan. 3-second violation. Nice D by the Ignite. 4 minutes 9 remaining. Nakaraning clock po tayo dahil wala na tayong wala na tayong oras sa venue. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Ying. Ying to Ricky. Ricky nagtala mag-isa. Pops up for 3. Wala pa rin. Napagod na. Naubusan ng bala. Baklaan. Foul! Sub. Who's sub rep? 3 minutes 40 remaining. Inbounding Ricky. Palmores. Amigo. Palmores. Ying sa ilalim. Malakas. Manalo. No good. Minala. Ying. Nalos against Ying. Baklaan. For 2. No good. One more time. Baklaan pa. Wala pareho. Rebound, amigo. 2 minutes, 52 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Manalo. And foul. Time out. Time out. Hindi time out. Ayaw. Lamang na 5. Pops up. No good. Second shot. Jumper ready. Siason. Aspan. Aspan. 2 minutes 37 remaining. Pops up. Pasok. Apat. Ayun na, Agoncillo pamasok na para imando na ilaban. Agoncillo pumasok na para tiyak si Ricky kukunin ni Agoncillo. I-check ni Agoncillo yan. Walter, nakawala si Walter. Ricky. Still completed. Agoncillo. Manalo! 2 points Manalo. Again, full court press muli po. Full court press. Ricky. Again, lost the ball. Manalo, oy! And one play! Timeout, Mecanicos. Ang bilis ng takbo, grabe. Hindi ko na malayo. Tabla bigla. Samantala.
Grabe na pa ni Jay ba?
Laguin. Umuwi na. Oo, tama. Ano, patapos na tayo. Oh. Game. Manalo. Pasok. Lamang na isa. Walter. Ayun! Foul! Manalo. Agoncillo, playing in charge. Aspan. Agoncillo. Number 6. Aspan for 3. No good. Rebound, Ying. Foul! Malapit na pa. One. Ricky. Ying to Ricky again. Foul! Na-chokes it. One of penalty also. Team Mecanicos. Collis for the inbound. Manalo. Agoncillo, laman lang na isa. Receive completed. Pop shot. Pasok ang bola. Tatlo. Ying. Good ball. Natawag. Ayun. Manalo. 2 points again. Walter. Ricky driving strong. Intercepted. Foul. Ordinary foul. Penalty situation. Team Mecanicos. Aspan shooting for 2. Per shot. Out. Labang na 5. 55 seconds. Aspan. Second shot. Jumper ready. Pops up. It's in. 8. 2 points. 40 seconds. Foul. Penalty situation, Team Mecanicos. Manalo. First shot. In. Manalo, second shot. Jumpers ready. 34 seconds. Both baskets made. Ying. Intercepted. Foul. Okay, 27 seconds remaining. 54-60. Pops up. No good.
Alam Jay!
Second shot. Jumpers ready by Manalo. Manalo, second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Ying. Ricky for 3. No good. Okay, that's it. Wala, impossible yun. Impossible yun. Mathematical impossible. Foul! Walter called for a foul. Agoncillo shooting for 2. 15 seconds remaining. 54-61. Fourth quarter action. Fourth quarter. Agoncillo, first shot. Kapos. Second throw, jumper slide tayo. Pops up. It's out. Okay, that's it. Safety basket. Okay, congratulations. Picking up now win number 4 also. Final score 54-61. Laman po, panalo po ang team Doha Ignite. Tara. Doha Ignite winning the game again. Final assignment pinasok nila, pinanalo nila. Group photo po, group photo with the coach. Iba sa'yo mo lang, upo na lang para ano. Upo na lang, iba po, upo na lang para ano, baka mag-cash po kayo. Thank you. Compress po, compress. Okay. Okay, win number 4.
Usog ng konti, usog ng konti. Yan,
Win number 4. And also number 1 sa standing na. Ignite. Okay, POG po. Sino po POG? Sige po, sir. Sige. Nakalip tayo. Sino POG? POG. Manalo daw. Manalo. Mario. Manalo, POG.
One, two. Okay, stop. Thank you.
Teka lang. Manalo.
May pasok pa, sir.
Ha? May pasok pa. Sige, sino papalit sa kanya?
Si, ano po, si Alvin.
Oh, Gonzilio ka na lang, Gonzilio.
Alvin.
Gonzilio ka na lang.
Baguhin natin.
Abuhay na.
Eh, para natin muna. 1, 2, 3.
Peki yan ha?
Okay. Okay, Gonzilio, congratulations po, sir, for winning the game, sir. And also, you give us an interest gift talaga. Paano kayo nakabalik nun? At for sure, si Manalo kasi na-shoot niya yung tier niyo nun eh. Yun ang balik mo sa inyo.
Yun lang, focus kami sa defense. Tinatap namin kasi nga, focus yung shoulder sila. So, hindi namin mismo pilis. Yun lang ang ano namin.
Okay, sir, no, asa po natin for sure, number 1 lang sa standing. And welcome to the semis po. What to expect now in the semifinals match coming Friday po talaga?
Magandang siguro laban yan kasi nga,
Number 4, sino yung number 4?
matutanggal kasi sila. Eh, kami medyo ano lang. Kaya yun, mapalaban din kami yan sa ano.
Okay, congratulations. So, for your final word po, sir, sige, sir. 1 minute shoutout po, kaibigan, laban, supportador. Sige po.
Okay, shoutout sa mga tropa ko.
Okay, tropang Ignite, okay? Ano pa po?
At sa mga followers dyan, kay Boss Martin.
Boss Martin. Sige. Thank you po, sir. With it po. Congratulations po. And of course, winning the game. Final score 54-61. Yan po ang Do Ignite. With it, maraming salamat po sila po. And see you again po so this coming Friday po for the semifinals match po ng Doha Frederick aka the Titos and Titas D.